Okay, here we go.
Golden Dog here. Right next to the Golden Dog.
Right. Okay, let's see how Pan Am's maintenance is doing. The tracks. Take a look down.
Oh yeah, they put some new plates.
Yeah.
Joiners. They put a new joiner on the rail over there.
Yeah.
Brand new one. And a new wire for the crossing. There's a new wire on the plate.
New wire on the plate?
Yeah, on the track joiner.
On the track joiner.
For when the train comes by, it'll make the current for the
right.
crossing lights to go on.
Well, I'm gonna make a cut here and then start back when we get to the second crossing on the Hillsboro branch line. Okay, it's hard to see, but the rest of the track is just back there. See in a second. There it is. Well, there's the fence. The track's behind it. Thick trees here. There's the railroad track. Crossing's coming up. You'll see a bit better here.
Okay. Yeah, the track is right there. So
right.
There we go.
A little hard to see either way. But the northern section of the line actually looking pretty good. They've made a pretty good attempt at fixing the rails lately. Straightened them out, replaced a couple of ties, reballasted the track. Now they've...
Rail joiners.
And rail joiners. They've increased the allowed speed through the area to about 10 to 15 miles per hour. And the original allowed speed was between 5 miles per hour and 2 miles per hour. Which, not the best. Here's some of the track again. Probably some of the best shot of the track for the whole route. Because it runs right up alongside the, what road is this?
Amherst Street.
Amherst Street in Milford. Or 101. 101A. As you can see here, the ballast hoppers have recently gone through. Some room for improvement, but other than that, other than the rails being slightly wavy through here, they're pretty good.
Oh, she's driving in the breakdown lane.
Well, thanks for 25 subs. I'll be back later with another video.